When it comes to having a consistent outcome, especially an excellent consistent outcome, it starts first and foremost with defining what my standards of excellence are. Bringing the team in and asking them what do they actually want to have happened at the end of this. Maybe it's a customer intake, maybe it's a vehicle inspection, maybe it's the follow-up that we're doing with our clients or customers. And so bring them in and define what that looks like. It's really hard to say this is the standard if you don't have a criteria or a list of criteria that you can check off and say, yeah, we completed that. One of the things I really like to do when I'm delegating a project to a team or an employee member, employee on my team, is defining what do we stand to gain if we do this thing, what do we stand to lose if we don't, as well as what has to also be true if we are to execute this, right? So we set a goal, we want the outcome to be this, we define what that looks like. The customer smiling, 5-star reviews, you need to have metrics you can actually track or experiences that you can define, and then go about, well, what also has to be true in order to pursue this, right? From there, you have kind of a set of rules that you're going to follow as you go towards producing your systems and processes. Again, processes themselves are just a set of actions that produce a consistent outcome. And from there, we can start to tweak and refine that to improve the outcome. 9 times out of 10, when we have a breakdown in process, it's actually not the process itself. Remember, we built it to create an outcome, we tested it, it got the outcome, and if we ran it again, it would get us that outcome. It's usually a people problem where our employees either don't value a certain step or they're not fully invested in the outcome itself. And so having that defined standard of excellence, we can go back to that and say, hey, do you believe in this? Do you back this up? Is this something you want to be proud of based in this criteria?